Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay guys, pardon my appearance. I just got this package and I think I know what it is. If it is what I think it is, then I will upload this video. If not, you'll never get to see this video. But I wanted to share it with you guys so quick because I'm so excited. I'm excited if I think it is what I think it is, and I just couldn't wait. So I was like, you know what? I don't care what I'm wearing. I don't care what I look like. I am going to make this video. And I don't have scissors, so I'm just using the sharp piece that you use to pack tape. I don't know. It's not working. I might have to go find scissors. Nope, it's working. Guys, I think it's what I think it is. So if it's what I think it is, my husband purchased this for me back in December. I shared it as one of the items. This just came in here that my husband got me for Christmas. It is what I think it is. Oh my goodness, guys, I am like, I can't even tell you guys how excited I am right now. It's the UGG and Telfar collab, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to show this to you guys. All right, let me just take this all off. Wait, does this not have a dust bag? All right, so granted, and I will say this, you know, the dust bag is not the end all be all, right? But you would think that it would at least come with a dust bag, but you know what? Let me just show you guys the bag, because like I said, it's just a dust bag. Look at this beauty, guys. It feels so soft. The suede, guys. This bag feels like quality. I must say that this bag feels really good. And then as you can see, it has this fur lining here, like it's trimmed on the sides here, and then the Telfar. I forget what kind of trim this is. I don't really remember, but look at her. Guys, isn't it stunning? And then right back here, let's see if it'll pick it up. I'm not sure if it'll pick it up, but right back there, it shows that it's the collab with UGG and Telfar. Guys, I am already obsessed with this bag. Like, even just holding the handle right here, it feels so good. Like, I feel like I definitely purchased something with a lot of quality. So let me show you the inside. These are the straps. I will say that, you know, people have commented and people have asked if the straps, guys, look what I found. Like I said, it's not the end of the world if you don't get a dust bag, but when you do find the dust bag, after assuming, because that's what I did, I assumed there wasn't a dust bag, the excitement, guys, the excitement of just having a dust bag. Not that I'll really use it, but it's nice to have it. Oh, it smells so good, and it feels like this dust bag right here definitely feels like it has great quality. But yeah, as you can see, I was mistaken. There is a dust bag to this handbag. Let me fold it back up. And like I was saying, so I know I've gotten comments just taking the packaging out. I've gotten comments about the straps not being detachable. And again, on this handbag, the straps are not detachable, which, you know, for me, I don't mind at all because I usually just tuck it back into the bag and you can't really tell. But for some, it is a deal breaker. So I wanted to show you guys that the straps on here are not detachable. So this is the interior. As you can see, it does snap shut right there. And then there is a pocket. Like if you get, so the small Telfar handbag, which I've showed before on my channel, does not have a zip closure. However, this is more like the medium-sized bag, and it does have a zip closure, which I'll show you guys how deep it is. Ooh, can I show you guys? Look at that. It's the details, guys, the details for me. Let's see if the camera will focus. This camera has been such a struggle for me. Look at the detail. So it has the Telfar logo on the hardware, which I think is just stunning. But let's open this and look how deep the pocket is. And it comes with this, all right, it's just a care card, and then in here it's just one pocket, as you can see, which for some they just like different pockets. I don't mind just one pocket, because if you've watched a few videos on my channel, you know that I love organizers, so I'll probably just purchase an organizer that matches the color of this handbag. The lining of this handbag is quality. Let's see if I can pull it out. Look at that, guys. Like, it's thick. This is like thick lining, which I really do appreciate. I'm just gonna tuck that back in. And then, you know what, there's just this little, what does this say? Okay, so the suede on the bag is cow suede, and then the trim of the handbag is sheepskin trim, which, like I said, the quality of the bag is really nice. You can wear this bag so many ways. More likely than not, I will be using it as a top handle bag, so I would tuck this in right here. And then I'm just gonna show you guys how I would probably wear this. So this is how the bag fits on me, which is perfect. Look at it, crossbody. I love it this way. You can wear it in the front like that. You can put it to the side, and this is how it looks. And I'll be honest with you, just wearing it like this, I just feel like it's a perfect school bag. This looks stunning. If you're in school, if you're in college, for work, this would be a great work bag, easy to carry. And I, like I said, would carry it like this, guys. I would hold it like this. I probably wouldn't pair it with something like this, even though the grays and the tan goes. I would wear it like this. And like I said, I would honestly just tuck the straps in like that, and then you don't have to worry about detaching the straps, because it fits in there perfectly fine. That's it for this unboxing. I wanted to share it with you guys. I was like, I think that's it. I think that's it. I gotta unbox it, and it was it. I'm excited. I'm happy that I got it. Guys, please remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. See you in the next video.